that simple email signature that looks like plain text? Here's an example. Clean but lacking personality. Now, see what you can create with just a few minutes inside Bybrand. A bold, professional signature with elements that enhance your brand. CTA, social icons, banner, and essential information, all well organized. And in this video, I'll show you how to go beyond the basics and create this impactful signature step by step. So, ready to elevate your email's visual identity? Then let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to go to Bybrand and choose to create a new signature using one of the ready-made templates. Now, among the options, let's select a template that already comes with a banner, which is ideal for making the look stand out. Now, it's time to personalize. Let's go ahead and enter the sales representative's details. So we have full name, job title, and region of operation, as well as contact telephone numbers. The email address is already included when you click on reply. So let's go ahead and remove this redundancy right here. In the job title field, we'll include the company's website and turn it into a clickable link, much more useful for those receiving the message. Here, we'll replace that common text with a CTA link inviting the customer to schedule a meeting. And to make it more impactful, we'll place an eye-catching icon next to it. Moving down a little, we'll include the address of the company's headquarters. Now, the signature is taking shape, so better secure everything and go ahead and save the changes. Now, let's bring the social media up to date. We'll swap the TikTok icon for the LinkedIn one, and then add the correct links to the company's social pages. In the final editing stage, we'll update the banner with the image of the affiliate program, now with an external link that leads directly to the website. Small final adjustments, align the font, standardize the colors, and that's it. Our bold signature is here in the preview, modern, complete, and with all of the important information. Now to finish, click to copy the rendered content. And then let's go to Gmail and add this new signature to the settings. And now, compare. Out goes a simple, limited signature. In comes an impeccable sales signature with professional data, clickable links, CTA, social icons, and an impactful banner. A true representation of your brand right inside of your email.